helps you manage leads so you can easily grow your business. From opt-in forms to nurture sequences and integrations, it has everything you need to turn leads into clients. First, we'll set up a form to collect leads. Just add custom fields, drag and drop everything into place, and update the text. Set up required fields to make sure you capture the exact info you're looking for. You can also design the form headers, fields, and the submit button. Or you can choose a template theme that aligns with your brand. Now it's time for a little form logic. You can set it up so that the leads get a thank you message, or they're redirected to a new page after completing the form. Save time with default logic that lets you automatically assign new leads to your team and only target users that meet certain criteria, like qualified website leads from Great Britain. Plus, you can add custom tags like high value or A-lister to organize your leads in the backend. Now, all you gotta do is grab the embed code to add the form to your website, or you can copy the link and send it out directly. After collecting info from your leads, create custom email templates to engage with them. In a hurry? Use Joy Assist, your AI email assistant, to draft messages on the spot. Just pick the tone and language and watch Joy Assist do its thing. Because every magician or marketer needs a good assistant, right? All right, moving on. Individual emails are great, but what about campaigns? Agencyjoy can do that too. Just gotta select the leads you want to add to your nurture campaign and choose your sequence. But the features don't stop there. Agencyjoy lets you connect to over 5,000 apps like Google, MailChimp, Asana, and Slack. And you'll be able to set up your schedule to book more meetings with prospects. If you want to see how this CRM can simplify your lead gen, click the link below.